everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kathy. I do videos on home decor, home organization, and I also have my own in-home daycare. So if you're interested in any of those, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So, you guys, we got a learning experience going on here. I'll explain that when we get to those certain things, but oh my goodness, we have some epic fails here. Anyways, this is part 2 of my Amazon haul that I got. I did get a grant to purchase anything I needed for my daycare. So again, there's still some stuff coming, but we're just gonna do the second part of this anyways because I do have quite a bit here. And like I said, I have some epic fails that I probably should have read the description better. But anyways, let's get into the haul. So first of all, I got a bunch of these organization things. So my craft closet, I am getting a lot more stuff now. So therefore, I need to reorganize my craft closet. So another video coming your way for that. But I got these clear bins and they come with the lids as well. So I have a bunch of lids here to go with the clear bins. So I'm gonna relabel all my stuff in my closet and reorganize that. As well, I got these bins too, again, for the same purpose. These ones here actually have really neat lids. So these lids here, they sit on here, and then of course they do up on the sides here, and they also have a handle as well. So that's really neat. And these things are actually quite deep. They're pretty deep, so should be able to hold a lot of stuff in those as well. And then I got some Boogie Wipes, because who doesn't need Boogie Wipes when you're running a daycare, especially around this time of year. And I got this Dr. Seuss Border. So these things are actually kind of expensive. Dr. Seuss is actually pretty expensive. So yeah, I decided to purchase this because we do Dr. Seuss as a theme every single year. So I do need a border like that. So I got one of those. And then I also got this bulletin board storage holder as well. A lot of times I'll draw my own pictures and cut them out and that kind of thing. And I just never had any place to put it. So now I actually got something here that I'm going to put all my stuff in and I can reuse them year after year. And then I also got these here, poster cards. But these ones here, actually all these things come out, so I can actually poke them all out. And then I plan on using a Circle Time binder instead, because right now my Circle Time, when we do this, it's not really working for me. So I figured we'd get one of these things. I can cut these out. Well, actually they're all cut out anyways. I just have to punch them out. And then I can put these in like a nice binder kind of thing, and we can do them like that. So got a few of those. And then I got some babies. So I do have a question for some of you, any of you. I got these babies off of Amazon, and they actually came as a set. When you order them, they come as a set. So there's 4 of them that come as a set. So we got the Asian here and the Hispanic one. We got a Caucasian baby and an African American baby. I am on the lookout for boy dolls like these as well, and I can't find them anywhere. So if you know where I can find some male dolls just like this, please let me know, comment below and let me know where I can find them. These are 12-inch, so it'd be nice if I can have like the same size kind of thing so the kids aren't fighting over them. So this is actually how each one came. They all came wearing a cute little diaper here and a headband, and they also came with their own blankets as well. And when I ordered this set, I was lucky enough because it also came with 4 sleepers for them as well. So I have them all opened right now because my girls saw a glimpse of the babies and got really excited. So I couldn't say no to not letting them play with them right away. So yeah, so they've been playing with them and they absolutely love them. And the reason why I really wanted a boy ones is because they actually pretend that a couple of these are boys. So it'd be nice if I can actually get some boy dolls and then get some boy doll clothes as well. Not only that, but some of my little boys also like to play with the babies and they keep pretending it's a boy too. So it would be nice to have males. But they're so hard to find, like, and I don't understand, like JC Toys makes these. So I really, really wish JC Toys would make a set just like this with the different cultures in male form. It would be nice. So, but if you guys know where I can get them, please comment below and let me know so I can order some for my kids. Okay, so also for my organization, I got this fold out thing. So it actually expands, and I was thinking of putting all my paper in here, like all my construction paper. Right now I'm using the dollar store stackable things, and they're not working for me. Every time I go to pull out a piece of paper or whatever, some construction paper, the things just collapse. So they're not really working for me. So I got this in hopes that I can just stick the papers in there instead, and yeah, this hopefully will be a better solution as well. So keep you posted on that. And then I got one of these things because who doesn't need one of these when you're working with kids? And I also got, speaking of the boy babies, I got another male Ken Barbie because I only had one, and I do have a couple of boys and they do like to play with them as well, and they always fight over the one that I have. So I decided to get another one so that way they can both play and everybody can play together and be happy and merry. And then I got these huge buttons. They're different shapes and such. So I got them basically for my little 2.5-year-olds for sensory bins and that kind of thing. And they can use them as counting. You can sort them, you can anything like that. There's lots of different ways you can use those. And then I got another set of these. Now, I actually ordered this after I did my first haul video because the kids actually really, really liked these and they use them all the time. They absolutely love these things. So this is a big win. And I have, like I said, I have 2.5-year-olds all the way up to 7-year-olds now. And all of them, like even my 3-year-olds absolutely love these things, and they're really good for teaching balance and that kind of thing. And these have been really, really popular, so I had to order another set. So believe it or not, this came before some of the other things I ordered a long time ago, but you know, that's Amazon and the way the world is right now, really crazy. You know, kind of expect things to be a little bit delayed, so I'm okay with that. And then, just reaching across my back here. So then I got these things here. I thought these would be really, really fun for the kids. So I don't know if you've seen them before, but each kid, it's a 2-person game. So each person would have their own set of handles here, and the football here will glide across the string. And so one kid will have the handles straight like this. The other kid will pull them apart, and when they pull them apart, this goes flying with the string onto the string and to the other person, and then that person has to go like this. And then it's kind of like a way of playing catch, but also using hand-eye coordination and also working together as a team kind of thing. Excuse me. So I actually got 2 of those. So I'm excited for this because I think the boys will actually really, really like playing with those. And and my girls actually. And like I said, it does teach them to work as a team to get the ball to go back and forth to them. So it's really good. Now, this is where we're gonna get into my epic fails. I can't stress this enough. My husband told me several times, because this isn't the first time I've done this. I've done this so many times, and I really wish I would listen to my husband sometimes, but I don't. But anyways, always read the description on your sizes, because I never do. So I ended up getting 3 of these. So these I got the 2 big ones that I showed you in my other haul, and they're perfect. The kids absolutely love them. These I thought I'd get for my little, 2.5-year-olds. One's quite small. He hasn't tried it yet, but yeah, and my 3-year-olds, these are way too small for my 3-year-olds. Way too small. So I don't know what I was thinking. These are so tiny, but they love them anyways. My 3-year-olds have been using them, and they love them anyways. Like the hopper balls is what they're called. And my 1 3-year-old actually likes to pretend that they're weights. So she'll pretend that they're those kettlebells and, do weights with them. So they are getting used, but I am just pretty disappointed in myself, because I thought they'd be bigger, and they're not. So let that be a lesson, that we always read the description. Now here's another really big epic fail for me. Got a package of these little balls. I thought these were gonna be the balls that are like about this big, and they're bouncy balls, like just those bouncy ones those are the ones I wanted to get. And that's what I thought I ordered. This is what I ordered, and this is what I got. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do with these, because I definitely don't want these in my indoor gym, them throwing them around. And like, they are really bouncy. They're called Sky Bounce balls. So they are really bouncy, but I don't want them throwing them around in my gym, or in my house. And outside, well, I do live in a tight-knit neighborhood, so I can see one of those balls just going flying over my neighbor's fence and stuff. So I seriously don't know what I'm gonna do with them. If you have any ideas, like what I can do with these, or how I can get the kids to play with them safely, yeah, just message me below and let me know if you have any ideas on how I can use these things. I was also thinking maybe we could use them, for toss. If I made like a game that had the holes in there, and then they can toss them into that. So something that they can actually use them to toss into, but not throw and bounce across the room, even though they are for bouncing. But anyways, so that is my haul. So like I said, if you have any comments or any suggestions on where I can get male dolls like these, or what I can do with those bouncy balls, my nice failure there, please let me know. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.